Hey guys, Danielle Alana here. I am so happy to sit down and talk to you guys about a teaching video. I haven't made a teaching video on this account in a while. So today's video is sponsored by Student Treasures. I'm so over the moon and so excited because my students are publishing their very own book. So if you want to know how you can get a classroom kit, publish your own book, make all of the students in your class publish authors, just keep watching. Stay tuned for more. So in a few moments, I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about the classroom kit. When you get a classroom kit, that's when you can get started. That's when you can help your students to become published authors. Did I mention that this kit is completely free for classroom teachers? Yes, I said it, completely free. You guys don't have to pay anything if you're a classroom teacher for this kit. So that's the cool thing. I think you're probably wondering, like, what's the catch? There is no catch. Parents have the opportunity to buy the book, to purchase the book as a keepsake for their students. In order for the parents to purchase it, it costs $19.95. There's no obligation for parents to buy this book. Also, if the parents aren't happy with the book, they can request a full refund from Student Treasures. So this is so great because it plants that seed into the students' heads, that seed for them to become published authors. One day they're going to be published authors in your class, but think beyond your classroom. Think about the future. Think about the authors and the books that need to be written for future generations. I think that this sparks that. So there's so many different ways that you can use this book. There's so many different things that you can do it. I'm going to show you what a sample one might look like. Here's a sample one, Amazing Animals of the World. This was published by students. There's a name for the teacher, beautiful illustrations from each student, and this is a full color book. I love this opportunity that it gives to each student. Alright guys, so let's look at what's on the inside of your kit. These are all the papers you're going to get on the inside of your publishing kit. These are your papers. You can write your name, you can put a dedicated to. The good thing is you get to select what type of pages you want in your book. If you have older students, you can do line pages. Younger students, you can do no line pages. You get a lot of versatility here. Each classroom kit also comes with a quick start teacher guide. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how you are to publish this book. So there's no confusion. It's step-by-step and it's easy to read. I really love that Student Treasures included this. If you run into any hiccups, you can call Student Treasures. You can reach out to them via phone, email, and you can also text them with any questions that you might have. They do all this to make your ordering an easy process. Said there's so many different ways that you can use this, but in my own classroom, what I'm planning to do, I'm so sad I'm actually moving schools because, see that ring? I'm engaged. So I'm thinking about allowing my students to write me a sweet note before I leave. What have I done for them as their teacher this year? And I'm just going to keep that book so that I can remember my why, so that I can remember the 3 years that I've spent in this wonderful school district. I don't know what you plan to do with your Student Treasures book, but I hope that you publish it. I hope that your students love it. I'm going to leave a link down below. You can sign up for your own classroom publishing kit. I know you'll absolutely love it. Comment below. How do you plan to use it?